Welcome to this detailed guide on SwapLab, a platform designed for those seeking an easy and efficient way to exchange cryptocurrency without the need for registration. SwapLab provides access to a variety of coins, allowing users to swap assets quickly and securely. This video will walk you through the entire process, showcasing its user-friendly interface and streamlined functionality. When you first visit the SwapLab website, you'll notice its minimalist design, which focuses on the key tools needed for fast cryptocurrency exchanges. On the homepage, you're immediately greeted with a simple swap tool, where you can select the cryptocurrency you want to exchange and the one you wish to receive. SwapLab supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, from Bitcoin and Ethereum to smaller altcoins, making it a versatile platform for all your trading needs. The exchange process is straightforward. Simply choose the desired cryptocurrencies, input the amount, and provide your wallet address. SwapLab calculates the exchange rate instantly, showing you the final amount you'll receive before proceeding with the transaction. Transparency is key here. There are no hidden fees or surprises. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Another notable feature is the lack of registration requirements. This means you can use SwapLab without having to create an account, preserving your anonymity while trading. The platform ensures security by only requiring your wallet address for transactions. It's perfect for those who value privacy and speed in their crypto exchanges. SwapLab also prides itself on competitive exchange rates and fast transaction speeds. Depending on the blockchain network, most transactions are completed in a matter of minutes. The site provides real-time updates and customer support to assist users in case of any issues, adding an extra layer of reliability. If you're a crypto trader looking for a straightforward way to swap coins, SwapLab is worth exploring. Its simplicity, combined with a wide range of supported cryptocurrencies, makes it an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced traders. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button to stay updated with more crypto guides and tips.